top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog.
I am very satisfied with the result of my whitening. I can see it 20 minutes ago, which is my teeth was yellow, and now it's really bright and really white. It was fantastic, it was very easy, and I don't feel any pain or anything. I would recommend Aliadent from 1 to 100. It was really good seeing the site, market, and everything, and we went to Princess Island as well, which is fantastic view, and it was a fantastic experience for us.
I found the service excellent, the people are fantastic. There's Mr. Okan and a lady here who speak very good English and can do all your translation for you. The service is impeccable. I would recommend Aliadent to everybody. Please go on the website, find out the people who have dealt with them, and you'll find out the service they offer is second to none.
Just beat it. Don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul.